Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the front turn signal bulbs on this 2025 Toyota Camry. Alright, start by popping the hood. When you come to the front, there's going to be a latch like to the right of this emblem. It's right here, so you're going to lift it up and lift the whole hood up. Hold up the hood with this rod. The rod is going to be up here. Just unhook it from here, bring it down, and it tells you the arrow. Stick it in this hole right here, okay? On the driver's side, the bulb is right here. Just go straight behind it, and your bulb is going to be right under here. See this white thing? It's going to be, I can't show you. Hold on. It's going to be there. Okay, take the bulb. You're going to twist it like towards the driver's side, and then you're going to pull it out. That's your bulb right there. All right, the way you take this bulb out, you can either pull it right out, and then when you replace it, you just put it back in. Or if you need more room to do that, you could always press on this tab, pull out this whole thing, and then you're able to, sometimes these get stuck. You might have to pull these little tabs apart. But once you take it apart, get yourself another bulb, and they just go right in, okay? I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna test it before I stick it back in the assembly, okay? All right, she's working good. All right, now you can take your bulb, stick it back in the headlight assembly. I'm doing this without looking. All right, once you feel it sit, you're gonna twist it towards the passenger side, and that's it. For the passenger side, it's the same way. Just follow the bulb straight back, and your bulb is gonna be right in there. It's right next to the white plug there. And just stick your hand in there, twist it, pull it out. There's your bulb. Once you change it, just put it back in, twist it. That's it. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.